Have you ever been strong, yet powerless? Samson, chosen by God to deliver Israel, was blessed with incredible strength. But his greatest battles were not always with enemies, but within himself. In a time when Israel was oppressed by the Philistines, one man was chosen by God to save his people: Samson, a man of incredible strength, unstoppable victories, but dangerous weaknesses. His story will shock you. Samson was born to a childless couple after an angel promised them a miraculous son. He would be a Nazirite, set apart for God, and destined to begin Israel's deliverance from the Philistines. As Samson grew, he was irresistibly drawn to Philistine women. He often visited towns seeking companionship, even with prostitutes, ignoring God's guidance and the responsibility of his calling. This would later set the stage for both his victories and his downfall. On one journey to Timnah, a lion attacked him, but Samson killed it with his bare hands. His physical strength, a gift from God, was unmatched, and it marked him as Israel's destined hero. Samson's victories against the Philistines were legendary. After being betrayed by the Philistines at his wedding, he burned their fields using foxes with torches tied to their tails. When captured by enemies, he broke free with God's strength. Using only the jawbone of a donkey, he killed 1,000 men. Even when his own people tried to hand him over, God used him to deliver Israel repeatedly. God can use even our mistakes for his purpose. Eventually, Samson met Delilah, whose beauty and cunning would test him more than any army. He fell deeply for her, sleeping on her lap and trusting her completely. For silver, Delilah discovered the secret of his strength: his uncut hair. While he slept, she betrayed him, cutting his hair and handing him to the Philistines. Even the strongest can fall when they trust the wrong person. Samson was blinded and imprisoned, mocked by the very people he once defeated. His life seemed over, yet even in the depths of humiliation, God had not abandoned him. His hair began to grow again, a sign that strength can return with faith and repentance. During a Philistine festival, Samson prayed for strength one last time. With faith and courage, he pulled down the temple pillars, defeating thousands and fulfilling God's purpose. His final act was not just revenge, it was redemption and deliverance for Israel. True strength comes from faith, obedience, and trusting God. Samson's life is a lesson for all of us. Strength and talent mean little without obedience, wisdom, and faith. Temptation will come, mistakes may happen, but God can redeem even the weakest moments. Are you using your strength the way God intended? Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring Bible stories. Before you go, let's see how well you know the story of Samson. Question 1. What was the real secret of Samson's strength? A. His muscles. B. His sword. C. His uncut hair. D. His armor. Comment A, B, C, or D below. How many Philistines did Samson defeat with the jawbone of a donkey? A. 100, B. 300, C. 1,000, D. 10,000. Type your answer in the comments. What do you think was Samson's greatest weakness? Strength without discipline, temptation, pride, or disobedience? Tell me your answer and explain why.